Hi everybody, how are you all doing today? Today I decided to film in nature. It just felt right. So I feel very peaceful now, and it's a great place to discuss about today's topic, which is period in transgender woman. Now, this type of video, it's something that I wanted to film for a long time, but I debated with myself whether I film it or not, because I know that many people probably will disagree with me, but then I realized that this is just my experience and I wanted to share that with you. So maybe you can relate and maybe feel less lonely if you experience the same things. So definitely stay and watch it till the end, because we're going to talk about period in transgender woman. So I myself experience some period symptoms as a result from hormone replacement therapy. I take estrogen and a testosterone blocker, which prevents me from getting manly, and the estrogen makes me feminine. So the thing is, when you take estrogen, I think it can make your body to start a woman cycle inside of it, because as we all know, testosterone is affecting the body from a male cycle perspective. So the male cycle is very logical, like the male brain, of course, and their thinking pattern. So the male cycle, they get every day the same hormones, the same amount of them, and that's why male and female, we are different from each other biologically. Our bodies different, our bodies can handle different things, and men can maybe even work out every day, not get tired. The emotions, it's not like we as females have every month period, so our emotions are very more, we feel them more, we feel more emotions. When I started to realize that I experienced period from my hormone replacement therapy was about a year and a half, 2 years into my medical transition. Now I'm almost 5 years into hormones, so yeah, it's been quite a journey. 3 years I do experience period symptoms. When I started to notice that, I had at the beginning it was not accurate, but like in some time of the month, repeatedly I had these symptoms for a few days that I couldn't put my hands on, and of course I couldn't bleed because I am transgender male to female, but I did have all the other stuff that is from period, like headaches, nausea, mood swings, more than I had because of the hormones. I had even more sensitive perspective on things. So I really noticed this repetitive thing that every period of the month I got this. So I started to write myself dates that I had this month after month after month. Then I discovered that, hey, I actually do have period, because it only makes sense that if you have estrogen in your body and no more testosterone, that your body's going to start to have a feminine cycle inside of it, which is the 28-day cycle that female have, and men doesn't have that. So that's just my experience about it. I am getting period although I am transgender, and that's totally fine and totally okay. You know, sometimes people can say that or think that we can't experience stuff like that because we are transgender and we were assigned male at birth, but it's totally not true because the hormones, they are the key to everything. They can truly make black to white, I believe. And yeah, that's just what I feel. And if some other trans girls feel the same way, that they get period symptoms, I highly suggest that you start to write the dates to yourself and see if there is any pattern in those dates. If so, then it's probably your period, and it's something that you should not be ashamed about. Even I was in doubt before I filmed this video. Actually, it was the second video that I wanted to film, but I was afraid that people will judge me because they would say I'm crazy or that I can't have periods, but it really does happening. So what else can I say? That's just my honest truth. So I hope that if there is somebody out there that's feeling those same feelings and they feel lonely about it, or that their body is not functioning right or something, just know that I'm not a doctor, but it's totally okay and normal to have female characteristics in your body while you're on estrogen. That includes period. So I think we should be happy about it and just accept it and accept our femininity. And that's all I have to say about it, actually. If you have something to add about it, I would really love to hear, because I myself haven't seen too much information about this topic online. I think it's totally outspoken and it's just not good, because I'm sure that someone else on this planet Earth is feeling the same way, and there's just not enough information about it. So I just felt like it's the right thing to film this video, although the sun went down already, but still it's very important to have this information somewhere, that someone speaks about it and normalize it. So yeah, that's all that I wanted to tell you about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing week, month, year, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. All my socials are down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye, guys.